Get inside the building of a software application. My name is Matt Evans. I'm a retired financial professional. And in the year 2026, I am developing a AI powered financial planning software application to help small business owners in the United States develop a financial plan. And this is extremely AI, artificial intelligence driven. And it uses guided inputs where it captures the inputs for input apps. And it has all the business rules built in, like a contingency reserve application. It calculates the loan amortization schedules. It posts all the entries, and it even generates the spreadsheet and a PDF report. It does everything for you. So it's extremely AI driven. And what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to recruit some people, small business owners primarily in the United States, to kind of test this thing out because I don't know whether I have it right or not. I mean, I developed it based on what I think is a really good software application to help you develop a startup financial plan, but I may miss something. It may be too complicated or it's too confusing or it should be done differently. So before I launch this in early 2027, I want some people, especially small business owners in the United States, to test this out to make sure, did I get it right? And it's a free beta access, beta testing. You get access to the software and everything. So let me explain what the real problem is. I've been mentoring probably with Service Corps retired executives for about 7 years now. I've met with over 500 small business owners during that time. And the typical solution that we use to help people develop a financial plan is we send them a spreadsheet, a template, or a workbook in an Excel model. And that is very confusing. It's very difficult. I mean, most small business owners are not really trained in finance and they're not real heavy users of Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. So what this AI application is going to do is going to get rid of all of that. It's going to develop the spreadsheet for you. You don't have to touch it. And that's a real pain point for a lot of people. So it removes the guesswork. It tells you what the down payment should be for the loans. I mean, it does the depreciation calculations. It posts the entries. It removes so much of the guesswork and removes the spreadsheet. So it removes so much of the pain that you as a business owner have when you develop a financial plan. So that's what I'm trying to do. And I need some people to go through the what we call a minimum viable product. So what I will do is I'll release a very minimalist version of this, and it covers just base year one in early 2027 to see even if people are even interested in using it. So I would want someone like you guys, men and women, small business owners, to test this out in late 2026 are the guided inputs, the input apps, the four input apps. What issues did you have? Do you have did the business rules help you, hurt you? What else needs? And then look at the reports. So there's one, two, three, the guided inputs, the business rules, and the reports, including PDF reports and the Excel spreadsheet model, which is a rather simple spreadsheet model. I tried to keep it simple. And once you, the beta testers, validate and give me input on steps one, two, and three, then in maybe mid late 2027, I would actually develop the AI advisors and all the other additional features to really make it robust. But I don't want to go to all that trouble if there's no real interest in using it, right? So I need you to become a beta tester and you get free access to the software. You get to generate the reports for your business. You influence the roadmap, the how I'm going to actually build this out, what should be included, what should be excluded. And once it really is officially launched in 2027, you'll get discounted pricing. The fifth item on this slide actually is important. You'll get to learn and get an inside view of artificial intelligence. I mean, I'll send you the functional testing workbook. I'll send you the standard operating procedure for the change order requests. So you'll see exactly how software development works in the world of AI. And I think that would be a really, really insightful and valuable benefit from becoming a beta tester. So become a beta tester and you'll get the inside view, inside view of this whole thing. And it's just basically me, the project manager, the human project lead, Matt Evans, and I'm just working with AI agents. Claude Cowork, the AI quality control agent, and then the super agent sits over the hosting platform. So it's all me, AI agents. I have a technical person who helps me out a little teeny bit, but not much at all. So you'll get an inside view of this. And I'm looking for people who are small business owners, maybe startup founders in the United States. Maybe you're an advisor or a consultant to small businesses in the United States, or you're kind of maybe interested in learning more about AI, how artificial intelligence software is built using AI agents, and you also have some type of financial background. You don't have to be technical, by the way. I'm looking for non-technical people, but you have to be highly focused on, working through the input apps like, okay, what does my startup cost? What is my operating expenses? What am I going to sell? At what price? So you will be required to input some basic variables in the input apps and test this thing out and bring your insights and wisdom to this situation and tell me what's right, what's wrong, what's working, what you don't like, so I can get the design right. And in the process, you'll also learn artificial intelligence. So that's basically it. I would challenge you, join the beta testing, sign up. Uh, the links are going to be in the description, but the links are also on this slide. And the link at the very bottom of the slide, which is startupfinancialplan.com with hyphens in between the keywords, beta test hub page. That's a good page to look at to get an overview of the project, as well as a direct link to the sign up form. Again, you can reach out to me off that website if you have any questions about this. So I would invite you to please join me, become a beta tester, get early access to the software. You'll get the reports, you'll give me input, you'll get discounted pricing, and you'll learn artificial intelligence. Thank you very much for listening.